Good morning, student.
Good morning, ma'am.
All good?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. We will discuss about the previous class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell in this polygon, the polygon A, B, C, D and E. What are the adjacent sides?
A, B,
A, B and
C,
B, C.
C, D,
Then C, D. Which side it is adjacent?
and D, E,
And D, E. Yes, good.
E, A. E,
D, E
A. And
and E, A.
yes,
Very good. Please come here. Draw the diagonals in this polygon. Yes, do it. Again. Very good. From point B. Yes, good. Then. Very good. Then point C also. Point C. Draw the diagonal.
E. BD.
Yes.
BD.
Very good. Yes. Very good. Sit down. Then we will see what are the angles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please open your notebook
Yes, ma'am.
like this. This is your notebook and
Yes.
open this like this. What you see?
Angle.
An angle. From where? This is the angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, this is an angle.
Angle.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It is made up of two rays.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We can write the angle as AOB.
Yes.
Just put the starting point of two rays, then put the two another points.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Before and after the starting point of the rays,
Yes, ma'am.
common point of the rays. Otherwise, it can also be written as angle O.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Then see, this is the what? This is a part.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, this is the external part,
Yes,
and this is the internal part.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I have shaded it till the this space.
yes,
And I am extending this line like this,
yes,
and
ma'am.
also the OB ray like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I shade the rest part. See,
Yes, ma'am.
it is also extended towards it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the interior part is
Shaded.
indefinite. Okay. It is not restricted. Not restricted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be extended from where you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Then see another example.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is a angle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
P Q R.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the angle.
P, Q, R,
P Q R and
R, Q, P.
R Q P, and in the short form we can write it
Angle Q.
angle Q. Very good. Angle Q. Then this is another angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Name it.
RQS,
RQS,
SQR,
SQR,
and angle Q.
angle Q.
Yes,
Look.
ma'am.
Here also another angle is here. What is the angle? This is a angle, and this is the angle, and another angle.
Two.
Yes, two sides.
Uh, PQ, R, S.
This can be
Yes, ma'am.
written as PQS. What is the angle?
P.
From here to here. This is also an angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, PQS angle. And we can write it as angle Q.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then, please draw a polygon by using three-line segment. Three-line segment. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
polygon. Do it first. Yes, very good. You have done it well as like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
it is made up of three-line
Three-line
segments. We can also call this polygon as triangle. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
triangle. Tri means three.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that means three sides, and here also name it A, B, C polygon.
Yes, ma'am.
The angles are
A, B, C,
A, B, C,
C, B, A,
A, B, C.
C, B,
Or C, B, A. Then
angle B.
or angle B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And also here is the angle. Then another angles. Here also is the angle
ACB,
ACB or angle
BCA.
BCA
Yes.
or angle
Angle C.
C.
Yes.
Then see another angle is
B is
yes, good. BAC
C
or
B.
angle A or CAB or angle A. This is the angle.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also an angle.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also an angle.
Yes.
All clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Look at here. Can we draw the diagonals from point A, from the vertex A? Can we draw?
Yes, ma'am.
How? This is the adjacent vertex and this is also adjacent vertex.
Yes, ma'am.
The vertex A don't have any other vertex except the adjacent vertex.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can't draw the diagonals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then see, the adjacent sides are
AB,
AB,
BC,
BC,
CA.
CA with which side? CA
And AC.
and CA and AC are equal. CA, then
CB.
CB or CA and
AC. AB.
AB. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
AB and BC or AB and
AC.
AC, good? Yes, like this, these are the adjacent sides. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Then we see another polygon. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then we will see another polygon. Please draw the polygon made up of 4 line segments. Yes, you have done it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Name it as A, B, C, D. This is a polygon A, B, C, D. Look at here. There are 4 line segments.
Yes.
So we call it as quadrilateral. What? Quadrilateral.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Also, we can draw some different type of polygons by using 4 line segment.
Yes, ma'am.
How? See. This is also a polygon.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also a polygon
Yes, ma'am.
by using 4 line segments.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then see. Then on your copy, draw the diagonals of this polygon. Diagonals. Yes, very good. Name it.
A,
Yes, A,
C,
AC and
and B, D.
BD. These are the diagonals. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell the angles in between in the polygon. Name the angles.
A, B, C,
Angles A, B, C or angle
C,
in short form A, B, C,
or B.
angle B. Then angle
A, D, C,
A, D, C
or angle D.
angle D. Then another angles
B, A, D,
B, A, D. Very good. Or
A.
angle A. Then
um,
another angle
B, C, D,
B, C, D or
or angle
angle C. Here.
Yes.
These are the angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D.
D.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we see what are the adjacent angles and what are the opposite angles in the quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the figure A, B, C and D.
Yes.
This is angle A.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
B,
B. This is C
C,
and this is
D.
D. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I have marked it with different steps so that you can identify it easily.
Yes,
Okay. See. The adjacent angles are,
Adjust.
tell which are close to each other.
A, B,
A, angle A and
angle D,
angle B.
and
Then angle B is adjacent to
angle C,
angle C. Then
and angle C,
angle C is adjacent to
angle D,
angle D.
and angle D,
Angle D adjacent to
angle A.
angle A. Very good. Then these are the adjacent angles.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we see the opposite angles. What are the opposite
Angles.
angle? Opposite means you have to left out the which the angle near the, that means आपको क्या करना है ना, जो भी इसके पास में है उसी को ही लेफ्ट आउट कर देना है और बाकी जो भी एंगल बचेगा वही हो जाएगा हमारा opposite angle.
Opposite angle.
Okay.
Yes,
So please tell the opposite angle of B.
B. Angle A, angle D and
Yes, angle D and look at here. This is the angle B.
yes,
This is the adjacent angle.
yes,
This is also the adjacent angle.
yes, sir.
And this one is only which is left over.
Yes, ma'am.
So the opposite angle of D is D. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, say the opposite angle of C.
A, angle A.
Angle A. Only angle A.
A.
Okay. Good. Then opposite angle of D.
Angle B.
Angle B. Okay. Look at here. These two. Angle B and D. Here also angle B and B. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These are similar. That means B is opposite to D. Same as angle D is opposite to angle B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. All clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then draw the curve by using your bundle. Please draw. Yes, very good. By using a bundle, you have drawn it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, this is a curve.
Yes, ma'am.
Which type of curve?
Simple curve.
Yes, tell loudly.
Simple and closed curve.
This is a closed curve. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, simple curve also. See, here we call it as circle. What? Circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can also draw it by using the compass.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Here is the middle point.
Yes, ma'am.
If we put the compass, the needle of the compass here and the pencil is here, will be here, and you can draw it by using the compass. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is the middle point.
Yes, ma'am.
We call it as center. What?
Center.
This is the center.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We can also name it as O
Yes, ma'am.
or X or Y something.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then draw the line segments from this center to any point on the circle. Draw the line segments. Yes, very good. Come here and draw the same from the point to the any point on the circle. Yes. Very good. Sit down. See, these all line segments
Yes, ma'am.
seems like equal or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's name it as A, B, C and D. The line segments from the center point to the any point on to the point A.
Yes.
Line segment, name of the line segment. Here is the center point.
Yes.
X.
X A,
X A, good.
X B,
X B,
X C,
X C
and X D.
and X D. These all are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal length.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We call them as radii of circle. What?
Radii of circle.
Radii of circle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then draw the line segment from any 2 points of the circle by joining any 2 points of the circle. Draw it. Yes, good. These are any 2 points. Let's P and Q.
Yes,
I am joining it
yes,
P to Q. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Now the line segment is
PXQ.
yes PXQ. It is not a line segment. It will be PQ. The starting point and the ending point of the line segment. What? P and Q.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. PQ is the line segment here.
Yes, ma'am.
See, look at here. This is the 2 parts of, like, from the center to here and from center to here.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the 2 line segment from which PQ is made up of.
XP,
XP
XQ.
plus XQ.
Yes,
Okay. XP and XQs are,
ma'am. PQ.
these are what? XQ and XP. These are,
Radio.
yes, loudly say.
Radio of circle.
Radii of circle. Okay, good. See, PQ is made up of XP and XQ. And XP equal to XQ
Yes, ma'am.
because these are the equal lengths.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the radius.
Yes, ma'am.
These are from equal distance from the center of the circle.
Circle.
We can also tell that 2 into XP.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That means this is the PQ is the diameter of the circle. First,
Diameter.
from these to these, it is the diameter of the circle. See, a diameter is equal to always 2 into what? This is what?
Equal.
Equal length. But XP each what? Dash of the circle?
Radio of the circle.
Yes, radii of the circle. Clear? Diameter always equal to the twice of radii of circle. 2 into radii, that means twice of radii of circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Diameter.
Yes.
Clear about the diameter and radius?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Then we have to move next. Yes. Let's draw it again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the center point X. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And see, I have taken only a part of the boundary of the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the boundary. I have taken from here to here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And I name it as A and B.
Yes.
This small part of the boundary of circle is known as the chord of the circle. What?
Chord of the circle.
Chord of circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then, sorry. We have taken the small piece of the boundary of the circle, and this is known as arc. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the arc of circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what we do? Please draw a line segment by joining any 2 points on the circle. This is the arc. Then join any 2 points on the circle. Join it. Yes, line segment. Like this. Join. Come here. Come here.
Yes.
And do it here. This is the point P, Q. Join line segment. Yes, good. See, this is a line segment.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The line segment joining the 2 points on the circle is known as chord.
Code.
Chord of circle. What?
Code of circle.
This is the line segment. Note down it. Line segment joining any 2 points on circle. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Then draw another chord on the circle. Draw from here to any point. Any 2 points you can take. Draw it on your copy. Yes. Name the chord, the line segment.
ST.
ST. Okay. Your code is ST. Okay, good. Then I will do an activity. Parts of circle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at here. This is a part of circle.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is also a part of circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See. This part here. This is called, let's name it, the center point O. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And here is X, Y.
Why?
Okay. Then this is named as P, S. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See. This shape is made up of what? This is the part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is made up of,
Triangle.
this is not a triangle, this is a curved line, and these are OX and OY. OX and OY are,
At the radii of this circle.
yes, these are radius. And XY is the,
XY.
XY is the what?
Code. Code of this circle.
This is the arc. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the arc. See, the shape here, this type of shape is made up of 2 radius
Yes, ma'am.
and 1 arc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then look at here. This is the shape. It is made up of PS. PS is what?
Yes, is the right.
This is not a radii.
This is the code of this circle.
Yes, very good. This is the code of the circle. And this is the PS. This is the,
PS.
this part.
Arc of the circle.
This part is the arc of the circle. Yes. Can we move it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, look at here. This shape, we call it as the sector. Sector of circle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is the segment. Segment of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Then we write on the board. Look at the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The activity was like this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a circle
Yes, ma'am.
O, and here is the part of the circle X, Y,
Yes,
and here is another part P, S. Look at here.
Yes,
This is made up of OX, OY, and XY. That means, and we call it as
and sector.
sector. Good. Very good. We call it as sector. That means sector is made up of two radius and one
And one
arc. Okay, this is the
arc.
arc. Then look at here. It is known as the segment of the circle.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It is made up of PS each.
Yes.
This part is
Code of the circle.
chord of the circle. Good. Then PS. This part is
Arc of the circle.
arc of the circle. That means the segment is made up of one chord and one arc.
Arc.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then we revise it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First we see about angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Angles. So, name the angle. Here,
A, B, C
A, B, C, or angle
or angle B.
B. Yes, good. Then we see about triangle. It is made up of dash number of line segment.
4. 3.
3 or 4?
3.
Yes, very good. It is like this. This is a triangle. Okay.
Yes.
Can we draw diagonals of a triangle?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Very good. Then we see quadrilateral. Okay, it is made up of
4 line segments.
very good. Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
We can draw diagonals also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Then we see a circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then tell diameter is dash into dash here radius. Okay.
2 into
2 into that means twice of radius.
radius.
Okay. Then in this circle here is the center.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please come here. Shade only the segment. Yes, very good. Then set the sector. Yes, very good. This is the segment and this is the
Sector.
sector. Okay. Here is the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is the center. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
From here to here, this part is
Arc.
arc. Very good. And this is the line segment PQ. PQ is
Chord.
chord. Very good. This is all about today. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. You have to do the exercise in the book.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.